There's a beauty for you right there. That's 35 years in the ground. More than 35 years outside and still growing strong. That's one of our oldest Trachycarpus palms in our garden here. Planted in February 1987. I actually brought that from my last place and stuck it here in native soil. It's a female palm. It self-seeds profusely. I mean, there's palm seedlings everywhere from this female palm. You know, she took a break last year. Did she have seed on it? Oh, she might have had 2 seed stalks on it. Sometimes she takes a break. Hopefully this year she will produce some, and I do actually dust it, but you know what? I probably don't need to dust it anymore. We got enough males around on the property that are blooming. So that's a Chinese windmill palm, and that's what she looks like after 35 years in the outside growing in native soil. Pretty neglected. You know, I do throw a little bit of fertilizer around it every so often now, because sometimes she tends to yellow out after the winter rains. Actually, I just threw some fertilizer around it the other day, some triple 18. It's in super fast draining soil, and that's the problem. The nutrients leach out pretty quick, so try one in your own garden. There's a Bulgarian right there. Beautiful palms. You gotta love Trachycarpus palms because we can grow them. There's redwoods. They're growing beside the redwoods, and the redwoods kind of encroaching in on the palm. Coast California redwood right there. 2 of them. Big ones too. We have to cut those down one day, make some lumber. Thanks for watching, folks. Cheers.